Hey guys, Chad here with Midlife Classic Cars. We're here for round one of the summer shootout, sponsored by Cook Out. Matter of fact, it's pretty awesome today. If you bring a Cook Out cup, you get in for free as a spectator. But yeah, like I said, we're at the Charlotte Motor Speedway getting ready. I love watching all the teams set up. I like seeing how everybody does the garages different and everything. Yesterday I got my car prepped, ready, cleaned, everything done that needed to get done. And today all I have to do is install a light system. I need to check my rear end fluid, but other than that, that's it. So here, let's give you some shots of the pits. These are a lot of the teams in here. Here's my car. I wheeled a cart in here with all my little stuff. Got Apex. Everything over here is race-driven performance. Is my guy. He makes every video now. But yeah, everything you see there is our team. And then you see all these other teams are slowly setting up down through here. You got everybody with their tire carriers because you have to turn in your tires every night. I don't have to because I'm a Charger. So Chargers, they don't make us do that, but all the other classes have to. And that's why you see all these guys with these tire carts, because they have to go pick them up in the morning and get them on their car. Look how big some of these teams are. This is just wild. Oh, I like the T2. That reminds me of when I first started racing. I just had masking tape like that for my car for the number. And I kind of like that. But yeah, and this is a big team here. But this is what it is. I'm about to go do some practice. And then, yeah, I think we got a couple rounds of practice. And then we've got qualifying and then a race. They are calling for rain today. I hope it does rain. It's so hot out here. Hopefully it'll cool it off a little bit. And hopefully we can still keep running, but we'll have to see. All right, enough running my mouth. Let me go get ready, and I'll see you guys out on the track. All right, guys, let me feel what's going on. Your boy did something stupid. Two things. One, when I went out to qualify, I did something stupid and pulled too close to the car in front of me. They stalled. Then I choked. I just choked and stalled behind them when I couldn't get going. Then I had trouble getting the car going, and then I missed 2 laps. So that was dumb. And then when I come off, I just overdrove qualifying. I forgot to turn on my camera. I just overdrove qualifying, and it was some of the worst driving I've done all day. I guess that's just how it goes. But then what's worse, I'm pulling off the track and I'm driving around, and some kid just darts in front of my car, and I have to swerve and kind of hit brakes. And I was sitting there cussing to myself, mad about the kid, and I drove right past Tech without even looking. I mean, they were apparently waving on, and so I go back around, they're yelling at me. And so the old man at Tech chewed me out a bit. I didn't mean to do it, but shouldn't have. Should have been paying attention. I was just in my own world complaining about the kid. But yeah, that's definitely hands down some of the worst qualifying I've ever done. But we'll get them in the race. I'll be in B main, and hopefully, I'll tell you right now my strategy. I'm shooting this before the race. We'll see what happens. My strategy is when the green flag drops, I'm not going. I'm just going to keep it in second gear and cruise, because I put money on it. They're going to wreck in the first turn. Chargers, B main, yeah, they're going to wreck in the first turn. So I'm just going to take it easy. This is my prediction, and see if I just can't come up a few spots because of that. So see you in the car, see you for the race, and let's see how it goes.
This really was not my weekend. I'm still struggling to get the car to rotate coming out of the turns. This is something I'm going to work on a lot next time I'm at the track. I have to miss the one coming up because my father's having eye surgery. So please send positive vibes and prayers for him. Yeah, I just need to get better. So next week we have new tires coming. I'm running on old tires here, and in the Charger series, they don't take our tires away at night and inspect them, I guess, or hold them. So I'm gonna slap a new set of tires on and see if that helps with the car at all. I think it will, because these tires have had a race weekend and practice weekend, a couple practice weekends on them. But yeah, I just got to get better. So next time I'm just going to work on getting more exit. I feel like entry's getting better, but it's the exit I'm struggling with. Another thing I'm curious about, anybody that knows what they're doing watching my video, I'm just curious, am I putting enough input into the steering wheel? Am I turning it far enough left? Sometimes I question myself and think that the wheel should be turned farther, but I'm not sure. And of course, when I do too much, the car spins. And you can see in the video, my red stripe on the top of my wheel is cocked to the right. But I'm wondering if I'm just not turning the car enough. All right, guys, you have a good one, and we'll check you out in the next video. And like and subscribe, and give me some tips and pointers. I need to get better. I got to eventually beat these kids.